We got a fun one today, guys. Skybox, the inaugural edition. We got 3 packs here of NBA Skybox here. Look at the back. Oh, these are just some cool looking packs. I almost didn't want to open them just for the nostalgia of having these packs. Um, they're not super expensive. They're just a super cool rip. Definitely cards I would have opened up as a kid, as a 90s kid born in 1990. Let's get right into the packs. I don't want to like destroy, the cards inside or destroy the pack, but these Skybox packs are just super cool to look at, and the quality of the plastic you see. So let's go right into it. Look at the quality of these cards, guys. Look at the shine. Wow. All right, hey, we got Phil Jackson for the Bulls. That's cool. I'm gonna put that to the side. Byron Scott from the Lakers. Again, we have Skybox, J.R. Reed, the San Antonio Spurs logo. Then we got Charles Smith. We got Sean Kemp. That's cool. All right, we got Mr. Tim here. We got Sam Bo. Here we go. All right, we got Douglas, and we got Eric. There we go. We got somebody for. Oh, and they kind of flipped around. Let's flip it around real quick. We got Kenny. We got Ron Harper here. Yeah, that's a dope picture right there. And cool. That definitely brought back some nostalgic memories with the images in the back. Let's open up the second pack here. Again, we don't want to destroy the cards. In this pack, these packages, they're just super cool to open, guys. This was such a fun rip. This can also be found in the same place that we did the video from the store in Oviedo. Look at that, Charlotte Hornets. Look at that. Every 90s kid had that jacket. Here we got Burnett. All right, we got Chris Jackson. Here we go on the NBA draft. That's pretty cool. Weston Bennett. And we got one of my favorite teams ever. Well, only my favorite player, Kobe from the LA Lakers. We're going to put that right to the side there because that's just cool to look at. All right, Gary Grant. Yeah, Mike. We got Irvin Magic Johnson. That's pretty cool. We'll put that there to the side. Okay. These are just some cool cards to look at, guys. I'm not even joking. Look at the Sacramento Kings. It's amazing how simple, for me, simple is always better, right? Holographics and all that's super cool, but when it's a simple design and you can just expand on it by being a little bit hollow, being a little bit of shine, I don't know. I'm just biased towards that. But man, here we are, last pack in NBA Skybox inaugural edition. This is just super cool. Can we get a Jordan? Who knows? I don't think so, right? Not in this set. Maybe he's in this set. Oh, Tony Campbell. Our Boston Celtics. Look at that. Just look at those images. That's just so cool. All right, we got John Morton here. And look at that NBA draft. Gary Payton. That's super cool. Somebody I watched growing up. Gary Payton. Wow. Definitely off-centered left to right, or right to left, however you want to say it. But we'll definitely put this in a sleeve, and we might be putting that in the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. We already reached 3. We want to get to 5. So we definitely want to reach 5,000 subscribers, guys, and that's going to be in the giveaway as well. Video is to come, but usually most of the cards we pull are going right into that giveaway for one lucky subscriber. For LA Clippers, one lucky subscriber is going to get Larry Bird. Awesome. It's going to get that 5,000 subscriber giveaway that we're going to do. Dennis Rodman. That's pretty cool. Okay. Chris Ford. Buck Johnson. That's dope. And that's going to be the last pack. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, this was a Skybox opening. They're super cool. We're just going to go ahead and sleeve these bad boys up. Again, all this more than likely is going to be in the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. You definitely want to like these videos, share these videos, comment on these videos, because someone's gonna get chosen for that 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Just go ahead and leave this last one up. That's crazy, right? Larry Bird and Magic Johnson. Yeah. So here we go. Got Rodman. Got Magic. Bird. That's hilarious. And Gary Payne. So more than likely, these are going to be in that giveaway, guys. You guys are going to wanna share. So see y'all in the next one. Peace.